You go through red, green, blue, yellow, turquoise.
I said no way I'm in Balenciaga store.
Then there's a flashing effect.
Balenciaga. Yeah, my jeans they so.
Oh, welcome back to another video, gang. Thank you for tapping in with me, your boy Call Chris. That means you can call me any fucking time you dig, don't call me. So I already got calls on WhatsApp. I don't know why. I don't know why y'all think it's cool to call me. Like, you can call on me, but don't call me. You feel me? So, I'm just joking. In today's video, just like the title says, I got some Balenciaga LED Tracks. This is just a simple review. I got these probably about a good month ago, 3 weeks or so. And I've been wearing them pretty often, so just like how they held up, the battery and all that shit, I'm gonna go through it. As well as I am building a spreadsheet right now, so it's gonna take a minute, but I got like 50 good pieces in there, some cool cheap budget shit, like some forces for like 20 bucks. Now stay tuned for that. If you are enjoying any of the videos so far, enjoy this video, please go ahead and like the video for me. That's all it is, a small YouTuber. You feel me? I'm trying to reach my game. You feel me? So I appreciate you for watching. Go ahead and like for me, and let's get into this video. So boom, Balenciaga Tracks. You feel me? Simple box. Everything comes pretty good, cool. When it first came, there was really no damages. So it was really sleek. I appreciate that from them. And let's get right into it. So I usually have the dust bag. It comes with a dust bag. The dust bag is in my car right now. I'll grab it for you to show you, but we come with, but before the shoes, since I feel like y'all don't see the shoes, 2 laces, black and white laces. Comes with the Balenciaga, little Balenciaga tote kind of bag, the shopping bag, which is really cool. If you have the shoe right off the back, got a beautiful all black silhouette with the white lacing. It's a little bit of a suede, a little bit of like a new gut type of feel right here. Not really like a magical, right? And I feel like they always kill Tracks. Tracks were like the first Balenciagas I wanted was arenas, and then after the arenas it was the triple S's, and after the triple S's it was the Tracks, and the Tracks are always my favorite. Regardless of if you think this is a scammer shoe, if this tells you hood nigga scam or whatever, I don't care. This is so fire. As well as you can see in the details from the tongue, it's pretty straight. You have the 46 on the toe box right here, Balenciaga on the side. Everything is 1-to-1 on this shoe. I'm not gonna lie, it looks exactly like the real. As well as the track on the back, you can see there as well. But let's go to the LEDs, y'all. So the first setting that you have on the LEDs, let's go through these, is red. So you got red on both, green on both. You go through red, green, blue, boom, yellow, boom, turquoise, boom, purple, boom. And then there's a flashing effect, like a little strobe light effect that you get on this one. And one thing I will say that it's very key to make sure of if they fuck you up with this, because I've seen this in other videos, if one side is lighter or darker, because this one's had to charge, or this one has to charge. This one's dead ass about to die, but this one is fine. And I honestly think I've seen reviews, or I've seen some people on TikTok that say like one's lighter or darker, so be careful with that. And just make sure you charge them, because if they don't charge at the same time and one's on or not, you look stupid. So there goes through that. More of the colors you can see right there. To finish it off, some other kind of design. So just to turn off the lights, instead of going through all the motions, right, you can go through all the kind of colorways. You can just hold it for about 3 seconds, and then you should be good. Comes in, guys, let's go ahead and open it up. Comes with a nice charger with 2 ends. Really quick and simple. You go ahead and charge it, and they go into the bottom of the back of the shoes. So, yeah. Inside of the shoe, you have really great detail with the Balenciaga traveling kind of tag, which is super fire all the way down. You can take the insoles out. This is a pretty great, look at the insoles in these are really fucking awesome. I'm not gonna hold you, like, this is so comfortable. I don't know what they did to this bottom, but here's the inside. Going in depth for anybody who wants to look at this, or whoever overthinks about buying reps type shit. Gonna get called out there, damn near 1-on-1s. Shoe speaks for itself, guys. Great quality all the way around. All right, so let's get on to these on-feet type pics, you feel me? And yeah.